go for me, dear. You look awful. And you look beautiful. Oh, but I'm safe here. And you do too much. College, a job, all this time with me. You're not Superman, you know. A smile, finally. Haven't seen one of those on your face since Mary Jane was here.
Hey, you were supposed to be senior.
You know, you were about 6 years old when MJ's family moved in next door. And when she got out of the car,
Kung
you
ang
saw
balot.
her for the first time.
Uy!
You grabbed me.
Ano to?
Aunt May, Aunt Betty. Is that an angel?
Para saan ba to?
Gee, did I say that?
You look beautiful.
Tingnan mo, yung aking baby.
She's still
Sasama din siyang mag-unbox ng mga sabon na shampoo.
Because you were
Ito nga, winner
You're
to.
so mysterious all the time.
Tama.
Tell me.
Pero bakit kaya sak nang nakalagay? Dati hindi siya sak. Ano yan? Ano ba yun? Polygon? Ano ba yun?
Ibang brand siguro.
Ibang brand. Oh, ito yung gusto ko yung mayroong ganito.
Tingnan mo lahat ng box kung may laman.
Kung may laman, no? Baka mamaya. Nako, patay. Ay. Ayan, meron. So, yung baka yung iba. Ayan. Ayan guys, oh, sa TikTok ko in order. Ayan. Ito yung gusto kong ano. Pero hindi ko lang alam kasi kung gaano ka-effective. Ilan yan? 4, 8 nga. 8 nga. Saan mo nakatingin winner? Baka mamaya. Dapat ayan. Complete. Yan. Gusto ko kasi may ganito kasi hindi pwedeng ano? Ayan. Pero ayan. Super darkening shampoo. Buti na lang, kompleto. Yung kasi, binili ko yung ano, ayan, wala eh, kaya nakaiinis ako. Ayan, kompleto. Ayan. Ayan po yan, guys. Ayan. So, ibalik ko siya para i-ano ko na.